It's a 2014 Fiat 500c. This flirty, fun-to-drive convertible is exactly what's needed to make those daydreams of yours a reality. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, front heated sports seats, rear parking sensors, multifunction steering wheel, leather steering wheel, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power convertible roof, sport suspension, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver report the NVH gurus have done their job to keep the noise down. The cabin remains quiet even on the highway with heavy rain pelting the fabric top. Live assertively, drive a Fiat. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 888-827-2813.